up, YouTube? This is Mike with Gobles Mobile Detailing. Today's video is I'm installing some carpet in my transit van. I gotta remove all this, take the tank out, and the carpet's right here, the black. And I also gotta move a couple things in the back. The carpet's on. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of carpet, like 17 inches, from this shelf from back, from over to that side. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything. And the way I'm installing it is, I got some, got some little carpet nails. Well, first I got adhesive, multi-purpose adhesive. Dries quick and clear, so I'll use it for that. Then got some little tack nails, cut tack, just to tack them into the wood. So I got it cut out. You can see I got it cut out in the shape. So now I'm gonna start adhesive and I'm gonna nail it down. And around the edges I'll cut it so that I can put the piece down like this. I'll cut this around right here, lay it down, and I'll get the extra pieces and kind of put it on the inner half so you can't see the wood. So, alright, so what I'm gonna do is spray the rest of the glue down right here in the front and the edge. I can lay it down. Spray it down right here, the glue. I ain't go all the way up because I'm gonna come from the back and I'll spray the glue this way. And then next thing I'm gonna do is got these little tack nails. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna tack these at the end, a couple like 4 or 5, maybe 6 at the end, just to space it out a little bit. So just like this. Nothing to it. I'll take my sandals off. I'll get them all dirty. As I can tell. Just to make sure to keep it. Like I said, I got the glue on there, but this will keep it in case the glue comes up. Keeps it nice and sturdy in there, just in case. It comes up, but it shouldn't. It's good adhesive. It's the strongest one you can get at Lowe's. Sorry, glue. Now let me go ahead and spray this motherfucker down here. Spray this bad boy down. Alright guys, had to be safety first. Had to put my mask on for I'm breathing the glue. I got it all glued down. So I got it nice and tacked. Like I said, I got the front tacked you seen earlier. I got it glued. Just gonna wipe it down. Put the adhesive stick on there. And what I'll do is I'll nail some all up around the corners. So up in the front, I kind of missed a little bit up in the top, but ain't but once I get my tank up there and everything, you ain't gonna see. Let me go ahead and show you on this side. So I got it nice. So I got it nice. You can tell by, I'm gonna turn the light on, guys, so we can see. Oh yeah, it looks good. See, it looks a lot better. The wood ain't dirty. So around it, I have little edges hanging over, which I'll cut because I have the groove, how the truck's made. So I'll cut that out around there, and then I'll tack that around there the corners, which is really glued real good. So we can go ahead and finish this up. All right, guys. So I got the carpet in. All right, now I'm just putting my tank back in, everything back in. See, got the carpet, got it wrapped. I got a little staple, little cut tacks. Put those in there. I got my hooks in. Now I'm gonna put my light ratchet straps. Then I'll go ahead and put my top shelf back on to this, drilled on, and put everything back in. And also got the back all carpeted in. I'm gonna end up staining this little part. I ain't worried about that. I'll stain that. I'm gonna end up staining this, so I'll match with the stain, make it look cool. Gotta put all my stuff back in the thing, guys. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this top on, start putting it back together. And towards the end, then after I get everything on, I'll go ahead and vacuum up all the dirt and dust and keep it nice and clean. A lot better. The wood's not getting all dirty on the floor. And like I said earlier, eventually I'm gonna have a 65-gallon tank. I think it's about 2 inches taller. So then I'll put this shelf back above that. Then I'll build a lot of cubby holes, put all my other stuff in, so I won't have the plastic thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this bad boy up in there. Make sure that's all nice and clean down each side. So I'll drill that in there. Go ahead and that boy's on there. Ooh. Right. Put this last piece screw in there. Alright, guys. That's looking good. I love my Milwaukee tools. Awesome stuff, man. Like I said, I love building. I got detail and stuff like that, and you don't use the drill much for detailing besides the carpet brush one I can use. I do a lot of building. I'm gonna continue to do a lot of building on my detailing truck. So next thing I do is we'll put these shelves back. I have them drilled in there too, in the corner. So I'll put this up in here. Eventually I won't have these. I'll be all wooden. Man, they'll look real good. Back in the same spot I had them at. Just close enough, you know. Right there. So I'll drill these up in the back first. I had them. Good for the meanwhile I get it all nice with wood, all nice with the wood and stuff, make it look real good. For now, this helps me organize stuff until I get it good. water tank cap goes right here. So on. See, then when I get the next tank, it's the same size the top is. So I'll just raise this up, and I'll build off this. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my shelves back in here. Show you guys how it looks. Man, it looks a lot better. Let's look at that. Let me show you guys. A lot better. All the wood. It's a lot better. Then I'll put on my pressure washer, which I'm getting a new one to get mount back there, my generator, and everything like that. Like I said, I usually leave that stuff out when I'm not detailing. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these drawers. This is the interior. Towels, I'll put those up there. Window towels on the bottom. I'm running out of room, guys. That's all my paint towels, my edgeless towels. Put those in the middle. Then I always try to leave the heaviest. Got all my 3-inch pads and my clay mitts, put it right there. My tools, which will be the heaviest, will be on the other side. So I'm going on the other side, guys. This is the heavy part, so I'll put this one right here on the bottom. Alright. Next thing is put the clay mitts. Stuff like that. I bought these from Amazon, which pads.